to in there, kiddo?
Nothing.
Huh?
Nothing. Right.
What a mess you got on the floor in there. Time to clean up. Hey, shut the door.
But after I do this.
Good, shut the door.
Okay.
No, the door. Right behind you is the door. Well, you know what? There's a ring on it. You got to turn around. Look behind it.
What ring?
Autumn, you know how to keep the door open. Look what it's tied to.
Oh! Okay. Let's go.
Okay, say goodbye.
I did.
Bye.